Guys, now I'm showing you how to install Windows program on the Linux family. I'm using the Parrot Security OS and I'll show you installing the Windows program here in the virtual machine. First of all, download the Windows program, and I have already proceeded to the download and it is on the process. Now open the VMware program you might have already installed. If you have not installed, then first of all start the VMware virtual machine, then create a new machine, that is create a new virtual machine over the VMware. I recommend you to go to the custom advanced option so that you don't have any mistake. If we go through the typical method, then you might have done, if you might do some mistake, then it will may cause some error later. So I recommend you to choose the custom. It shows that the limitation and the compatible product. Now if you already have the ISO file of that Windows program, then you paste here, then proceed. But I don't have here, this is downloading, so I just go without installing. Now guest operating system is what you are going to install here, and it is not the host installing system, it is guest. So I am going to install the Microsoft Windows, and I am installing Windows 632-bit. Isn't it here? Windows 10. Just Windows 10. Next. Numbers. Number of processor, I don't change it, it's default one. And it is recommended memory is 1 GB for the Windows 10, and the guest OS service minimum memory is this much, and recommended is the same. So don't change the I recommend is not to change the default value, because if you increase that memory size, but you don't have the enough size, enough memory, then it may cause your host operating system to run slow. So give as it recommended. This is the network for how your guest operating system will use the network. I recommend you to use the bridge networking, because this will allow your guest operating system to access your full network. Then go to create a new virtual desk. Okay. Uh, 60 GB virtual disk is created using the multiple disk file. Okay, then next. This is our whole hard disk, how much it has taken, and this is the RAM. Okay, close. Now I have Windows 10 virtual machine, but we can't run it because I haven't installed the ISO file yet. It has already downloaded, so now I'm going to install it. Just go ahead, edit virtual machine setting, then go to CD DVD. Here you have to paste your ISO file, image file. I have that on downloads. yes, that is Windows 10. Now save it. Now I can run this Windows 10. Installing the Windows, you have to do the installation process, and then finally you will get the Windows over here in the virtual machine.